There's a channel making over $15,000 a month with just 93,000 subscribers, uploading only 3 videos a week, and somehow its videos look completely ordinary, yet they keep getting hundreds of thousands of views. That doesn't really make sense, right? So I went deep into this system to figure out what's actually going on, broke down the exact pattern behind it, and turned it into a simple prompt that can generate the same type of viral automation content. Now I'll show you step by step how this method works, how you can use it to get similar results yourself. Now here's where it gets interesting, because this is the part most people completely miss. Instead of guessing topics, I took a screenshot of the channel and let ChatGPT analyze the entire content strategy. And using a simple topic prompt, I was able to generate highly trending ideas specific to that niche. For the scripts, I didn't start from scratch. I took one of their top-performing videos, grabbed the transcript, and fed it into ChatGPT with a structured scripting prompt. And just like that, generated a complete, ready-to-use script following the exact same viral pattern. Now this is where everything comes together. Once your script is ready, you don't need to record anything yourself, just drop it into 11 Labs, pick a natural, calm voice, and your audio is done in minutes. Then comes the part that makes this content stand out. Instead of manually designing visuals, you take your script and feed it into ChatGPT with a structured image prompt, and it instantly generates multiple scene ideas tailored to your content. You can expand these one by one and turn them into high-quality images using Google Labs. And here's the upgrade. Those images aren't just static. Using the same tool, you can animate them into short video clips with a simple prompt. At this point, you already have everything most creators struggle with: script, voice, and visuals. All that's left is to bring it together inside CapCut, sync the audio with visuals, and your video is ready. And that's the exact system these channels are using to consistently push out high-performing automation content.
You ever feel like your cat gets annoyed with you for no reason? Like one moment they're calm and the next they walk away, flick their tail, or completely ignore you? What if I told you it's not random at all? There are things you're doing every single day that your cat absolutely hates, and most owners don't even realize it. And number 7, it's the one that silently damages your bond over time. Cats don't think like humans. They don't forgive the same way. And they definitely don't communicate frustration the way we expect.